So I have been associated with this organization for a very long time. In fact, just now I saw photos of similar session I had conducted in 2012, I think, or similar event. So this is a very important community, and they are the mediators of technology, I would say. Why? Because customers are busy doing their business. That's why they are customers. Vendors are busy creating products. We need someone to understand what the product has to offer, map it to customer context, and build solutions. And that's what this community does. It's a very vital role, not just as a vendor, but vendor, customer, partner, all three together, they are bringing into a winning position. Yeah, so I am not a partner of Microsoft. I am an independent consultant. And the reason I am exclusive with Microsoft is because I work on what I like and I only teach what I know. And so far I am not required to look outside, because in the context I work on, which is end users, which nobody works on in fact, there the most commonly used product is Microsoft Office. And that has been the case for the last 40 years. Nothing has changed. And the problem also is still the same. So people are misusing it, underutilizing it, and despite that, work is getting done, so kaam chal raha hai. But there is huge scope for improvement, and all users, all customers can benefit from the value. So I am not an expert in that field. I specialize in using AI in the context of Microsoft products for users, but AI has so much data now, and if something goes wrong, how will it use the data? We don't know. It has not happened. In fact, today, when you give a prompt and the answer comes, even the people who created the AI themselves don't know exactly what happened inside. And now there are tools being built to audit what AI is doing. And that still itself is an early stage. So currently it seems to be behaving well, but if it doesn't, for whatever reason, either AI became smart or some programmer made a mistake or whatever, we can't really predict what will happen, because it has so much data. If it can be very easily misused.
What will be your advice for the users?
So general users at large, I would divide into two types. One is using AI for personal, and one is using AI in corporate context. When you are using it for personal context, make sure you disable the allow my data to be used for training and all other privacy related options given. And from a usage point of view, use system prompts and memory effectively. That will improve the quality of your output. For corporate, all the policies are automatically followed. So as a user, you don't have to do anything. But in corporate, the more data you provide, the better answers you are going to get. So partner is a unique position, because partner is close to customers, and partners are also selling and deploying and maintaining products from vendors. Rarely vendors directly work with customers. So they are a glue which makes it work together. And that's why partner community, I wouldn't say is important, it's an integral part of the system. If there is no partner community, whatever vendors create, users will not be able to use. So it's a very crucial component. Partner giving AI as a service? Yeah. Absolutely. So everything which we are seeing in AI, which is used by users, is also available programmatically through APIs. Whatever is happening in Gen AI, as the name suggests, is general, that people will use anyway. But customers want customer-centric, based on their data, based on their processes, based on their priorities. That requires customization. Now ChatGPT is not going to customize it for one particular use case. That is where is huge amount of opportunity for partners to learn how to customize and then deploy it in a contextual manner for customers. And one of the things which is happening right now is agents. Agents is the way to do that. Agents is one of the way to do this. It's not my focus per se because I'm not working on promoting or improving ethical use of AI. Now, that's not my area of expertise. I represent users who want to use AI to improve their productivity. And I teach them how to do that in the best possible way. And most of my customers are corporates. They already have security compliance policies. And most AI tools have to follow those policies. Otherwise, customers will not allow data to go there. So that part from an ethics, asking dangerous or unethical questions or things which are harmful to each other, that is already taken care of by the AI. But there are a lot of researchers working on it, but that's not my area.
For more information, please visit www.ncnonline.net.